So today's day starts at 9:30 in the morning. I still have morning voice, but every time my alarm goes off, I just turn it off first of all, and then I just kind of stay on my phone for about 10 minutes while I'm still in bed, checking my emails. Well, actually I don't check my emails yet, but I check my socials, so my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I respond to you guys, and then I don't know, just kind of sit there until my bladder's like, hey, you gotta go up, and then get up. Yeah, I don't really have like a set schedule every day. Today I did set an alarm. I don't usually set one, but I do have a lot of stuff to do today, so I decided to wake up at 9:30, and you know, I'm filming this day in the life video, and I thought it'd be best to wake up early. Also, I have a couple events today, so yeah, honestly every single day is different. Sometimes I wake up at 8 a.m, sometimes I wake up at 9:30 like today, and then sometimes I wake up at 12. So I don't know, it really depends, but all I know right now is that I really gotta pee, so I'm gonna go do that. Welcome to my desk where all the real magic happens. I didn't want to show you guys my full skincare routine and like my morning routine of me in the bathroom and everything, because that video will be coming up. But every morning I sit down right over here and I get some work done, because yeah, I need to get some work done, obviously. But yeah, I usually just go onto my email, and if I don't check my email while I'm sitting on the toilet, which is what I do 99% of the time, then I will stay updated on like everything that I missed. So since I don't have a video to film today and I'm all caught up on all my emails, then what I like to do if I have some time in the morning is to go on Opinion Outposts. So if you guys haven't heard of Opinion Outposts, this is really cool site. Basically it allows you just to fill out surveys for different companies. It can be surveys on cars, it can be surveys on beauty, fashion, just basically surveys on anything, because for market research, you know, companies need all of these surveys to see, you know, how their products would do, and I don't know, just research in general. So if you fill out these surveys, then you can actually get points, which you can then redeem for money through PayPal, or you can get Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and there's a couple more as well. I'll have the link down below if you guys are interested. But I just got an email, because sometimes they send you emails if like there are exciting opportunities. This one says exciting new survey opportunity. Actually, come a little closer, I'll show you. So I just kind of zoomed that in. I really don't even know if you'll be able to see this, but yeah, I just got this email that says exciting new survey opportunity. This survey is 30 minutes and you get 10 opinion points. So that's great, because I think in Canada, I'm sure it's the same in the US, but if you fill out, if you get like 100 points, 100 opinion points, then you can get your first little reward, which is really exciting. I think Opinion Outpost is really cool, so thank you so much to Opinion Outpost for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. But I will have the link down below if you guys are interested. So I'm actually just gonna start the survey now, because I have a little time to kill. So Opinion Outpost actually sent me like 4 different surveys to complete, so if you had like an hour of time, you could probably make 100 awards. So if you had like 2 hours or more, like you could actually be making some bank off this stuff. So it's actually pretty legit. But once again, if you want to check out Opinion Outpost and sign up, I will have the link down below. It's actually really cool, like it's totally free too, so. So I'm probably gonna go and try to make some breakfast right now. Let me just move y'all real quick. This is a really ghetto video, guys. It's not gonna be exactly like my usual productions. It's gonna be really authentic, and I'm sure you guys will appreciate that. But anyways, yeah, I don't really eat breakfast until I really feel hungry. But because I have a lot of events today, I figured I probably should just make breakfast right now, but I'm kind of already full. I always have a bunch of water as I'm just kind of doing my work in the morning, so that kind of keeps me full. But a girl needs her food, so let's go. So as you guys may or may not know, I'm currently doing the keto diet and I'm actually really loving it. The results have been amazing. And I am testing out a new recipe because I often like to do this, especially when I have a lot of time in the morning, which is not usually, so this is a nice gift. But I'm trying out these keto pancakes. Hopefully they taste good. I don't have any maple syrup, unfortunately, because I can't have maple syrup, but I was just like so tired of eggs, so I decided to make this. That is pretty much it, but I really have to hurry because now it is 11:26 and I need to start getting ready by 12 so I can leave by like 1:15 for the Estee Lauder event. But yeah, this is a really nice camera to vlog on, but like way too heavy for my arm. I hope you guys are enjoying this day in the life of a YouTuber video so far. Like I mentioned, every day is not the same. It's definitely not the same. Some days I'm more busier than others. This freaking pancake is burning on me, so I'll be right back. So this is how the keto pancakes or paleo pancakes turned out. They look so good. I just put some butter on top, so hopefully that gives me a little bit of moisture. And then I also put a little bit of berries. I can't have too many berries. This is a little less than what I can normally have, but I think it's enough for this. And this literally looks so good, guys. So I'm gonna eat. It is 11:46 a.m. So I have roughly like 15 minutes to scarf this down and then I have to get ready. What should I wear today? These are kind of like my favorite fancy pants at the moment. I've had a lot of Instagrams in them already, but I may just wear this today. Actually, I don't want to wear this. I'm gonna wear these ones instead. These ones are from Forever 21. You know what? I'm gonna figure out what to wear for the top after I do my makeup because it really all depends on what I do for my makeup. So welcome to a day in my life where I'm always late to every single makeup event, but this is what I decided to wear. I wore those pants that I showed you guys. And I just put on this random body chain, and then this is the makeup that I chose to do. It's just very natural looking with a bright lip. But I gotta run, guys. Like, I'm literally so late. It's 2 p.m. I was supposed to be there at 2. Sorry. Okay, so I just got downtown, and it is like basically 2:40 right now, so I am very late, but I think it should be okay. Great thing happened. I was about to pay for parking. It was like $2.25 an hour, but I didn't have 25 cents, so I was like, crap, let me just press cancel and then I'll run and get 25 cents. Where am I going? And then when I pressed cancel, a freaking toonie, 2 toonies and a quarter came out. So I had just put in a toonie, so basically I got free parking, which is pretty awesome. Ooh, this lighting is amazing. I just got to the event. They have a ton of like food and everything here. I just learned about their new product that's coming out soon. It's a double wear nude. They don't have the deeper shades in Canada. I don't know if they're gonna bring them out yet, but I know in the US they will have it. But it's almost like, it's like the Estee Lauder double wear, but like more, I don't know, it's more like skin-like, and it makes your skin look very glowy and like fresh and everything. It's literally called the Water Fresh makeup. So that sounds really cool, and I really need to show you guys this view because I just noticed it and it's freaking gorgeous. Like, oh my god. Guys, look at this donut wall. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so good. Guys, why am I on this diet right now? Just kidding. Just kidding. So I just got done at the Estee Lauder event and it was actually really fun. My friend Emily from high school works at Estee Lauder now, so I actually bumped into her and we had a really good chat. But they gave us some goodies. It's a lot of the skincare that I showed you guys in the vlog, which is really exciting because Estee Lauder skincare is actually really nice. So right now I think I'm gonna go to the Distillery District because I want to check the Ordinary company. They just opened a new store there, or I don't know if it was new, maybe they always had it, but they may or may not have their like serum foundation. I don't know if it's still in stock, but I'm gonna go double check. If not, I'm gonna get the other foundation, which I hear is still really good. So yeah, I also got my brother some donuts because, you know, sister duties. I'm a good sister and I know he loves his donuts, so yeah, let's go. Traffic is also a huge commonality, is that a word in Toronto? But at least you get a good view with it. I hate traffic. Okay, so I just made it into the Abnormal Beauty Company. Literally almost got hit by a truck on my way here on the Gardner because he was like trying to get in. Anyways, it was a hot mess, but this is what I came here for. So oh, they have some dark shades. This is the High Coverage Foundation. Hi. Oh, it's not allowed. So now I'm with my YouTuber friends in real life. What's your YouTube name again?
Dana Alexia.
Dana Alexia. And Darcy, you guys know her. She has been on my vlog before. Well, I mean last year, so maybe you don't know her because that was a long time ago.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a long while, but now it is 6:47, so we're gonna head to the Kin community event after this. And then, yeah, I'll vlog there as well, but I just had shrimp, I forgot, oh no, I did vlog it before they came. It was really good though. So yeah, you got burritos? Oh, those are so cute.
I know, perfect.
Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Just walking into the Kin community event now. I'm with Dana and Darcy.
Day in the life of a YouTuber, beauty blogger, fashionista.
Beauty gurus and fashionistas come
Link
together.
up, yes.
Because they know the angles.
Yeah, I was getting on my knees and stuff, but it's serious. It's serious.
Okay, so I just left the Kin event and that was actually really fun. But right now my day has not finished. I have to run home, take off my makeup, and then I'm actually gonna go to the gym for a quick workout. Hopefully I can finish it in like 40 minutes or so because the gym closes at 11. So I don't have much time. So this is like the second camera change in this video, but I'm at the gym right now, as you can see. I usually like coming to the gym when the the studios are empty. But today I came like way later than I would have liked. It's like 10:30 right now. I'm in the middle of my workout, but since everyone left this studio, I figured I would just kind of show you guys. So I'm just doing a quick set. I'm gonna finish this so I can get home as soon as possible because my night is still not done. I have a lot of work to do. I have some editing and I'm just so tired. I'm finally home. I just got out of the shower, as you can tell. Today was a really, really long day and it still hasn't ended. Because my posting schedule is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I have to edit tonight, so I just have to edit one video. I'm just gonna edit half of it and probably edit the other half tomorrow. But because I'm showing you my life as a YouTuber, anytime that I go to an event, this is what my room ends up looking like. I have clothes everywhere because I was trying on different outfits, and usually when I'm out of the house for a really long time, I come home to like a ton of packages. So as you can see beside me, I have this like huge gift basket from Neutrogena, which was actually very, very generous. This is so cool. And also Aveeno. I love Aveeno for skincare, so I'm probably gonna slather my body in that since I just got out of the shower. And then I also got a package from Pixie Beauty. I don't know what's inside of this. They usually send like PR packages every single month. And then what else do I have? I have a little package, from Clinique as well. And this is just some of their lotion. So this is their dramatically different moisturizing lotion and their moisturizing gel. So yeah, that's definitely one of the perks of being a YouTuber, just being able to receive packages from brands that like I still buy from and like that I used to buy from a lot. And it's just nice being recognized for like the work that you do. But I just want to reiterate, today was very exciting, but this is not how every single day is. The great thing about being a YouTuber is that every single day is different, and that is something that I really looked for in a full-time job. Even, you know, before I decided to go full-time on YouTube, I wanted a job that would not be like the same routine every single day, because I'm just not that type of person. I like challenges. I have a very strong work ethic is what I'm trying to say, and I like pushing myself, so this job definitely does that for me. I am just going to spend the rest of the night editing, and then hopefully jump into bed at a decent hour. And when I say decent hour, it usually ends up being about 2 to 3 a.m. So yeah. So I've been sitting here editing for about maybe a little less than an hour, but I'm literally so exhausted from today. It is 1:47 a.m. and I think I'm just ready for bed, so I'm just gonna continue editing this tomorrow morning. I think I'll get a lot more done tomorrow morning than I will now. So I think it is finally time for me to go to sleep, and I cannot be more excited. Just a heads up before I get any ignorant comments. No, I do not sleep with this on. I'm literally only wearing it for video's sake. I do not sleep with this on. So that is it for this day in the life of a YouTuber video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I ended up going to bed around 1:30 or 2 a.m. or something like that, but I was just so exhausted from today. But I had so much fun filming this video. I hope you guys got a good insight of how, you know, one day of being a YouTuber could be. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. But yeah, that is it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!